Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nusha Finali Salim from class IM110-4B.
My name is Nur Natasha Reza binti Muhammad Isa.
My name is Nurul Farisha binti Salimi.
My name is Nur Alia Husna binti Azidin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we would like to present about our group project that's solving a problem of Nawal, student of UiTM, that she wants to buy a computer. Nawal need to use programming software such as Adobe Reader, Adobe Director and Adobe Weaver, and also the computer should be able to support a large graphic of good gaming and a good sound system for watching a movie.
First, for monitor, we choose Asus VZ229H model because it was space-saving design with an ultra-thin profile that measures a mere 7mm at its tiniest point. This technology helps minimize instances of eye strain and other damaging elements, especially when you spend along countless hours in front of a display watching favorite videos.
Next, for the computer case, we choose Executive Lux 11 Mid-Tower LTX case. As Nawal searching for computer specification for gaming and watching movies, this tower model is really suitable for what as her need. With now generation that keep looking for something trending, this computer case will accomplish her. The computer case can support motherboard ATX, micro ATX, and ITX. It is also fast lock type 3.5-inch HDD bay and fast lock type 2.5-inch SSD bay. For motherboard, we have choose Asus Prime B450MK AMD that been designed exclusively, and it support large graphic entertainment, so it will furnish Nawal needed. The good thing about this motherboard, it has LED illumination with good lighting control for both PCIe slot and audio trace part. Next, operating system software. For the first system software, we choose Windows 10. Windows 10 comes with apps that work transferring your device such as photo, music, video, maps, and more. This Windows 10 is a full version of the operating system. Next, it has multiple interaction options with your device, which is touch, type, write, and speak. This is the latest version of Windows. By that, we are suggesting Nawal to experience this kind of software. For the next operating system is Chrome OS. Chrome OS is operating system that is designed by Google. It mainly supports web application, and it also available for Windows, Mac OS X, Linux, Android, and iOS operating system. This Chrome operating system is free of charge, and it also allows users to sign in their Google account, which it allows them to sync bookmarks and open web page on multiple devices.
Next, hardware. Graphic card. A graphic card that we choose for match with the motherboard is Kaka GTX 780 for Gddr5 gaming model, which is a graphic card that provides high quality visual display by processing technique, feature, and function. So this graphic card is suitable for Nawal to play her game. Next, network card. We choose TP-Link TG3468GB PC network adapter for our network card. It is the network adapter hardware add-in card that fits in a development slot on a computer motherboard. This network card is enable network connection through the USB port. Next, keyboard. For the keyboard, we choose colorful LED illuminated backlit USB PC Rainbow Gaming keyboard. It is 100 brand new and high quality. It will bring the excellent hand feel, smooth handling, and fast response. Next, they also have colorful backlight and super cool and attractive. Moreover, it has professional splash-proof design due to multiple drain holes. The keyboard will help Nawal a lot in doing her assignment because the keyboard is so comfortable. Next, cooling fan. We choose CPU Air Cooler Deep Cool Ice Edge Mini FS V2.0. It is simulated two metal powder heat pipes directly connecting the CPU surface for removing heat and eliminating chance of overheating. Moreover, the specialized aluminum heat stick construction for efficient heat distribution and TPE fan housing designed to engage operating vibration and reduce fan noise. Next, mouse. We choose Imperial Gaming Mouse GIP M2, which has 7 fantasy color breathing light effect. It is automatic change 7 facial colors so it match with the computer design because it's cool and unique. Moreover, it consists of 4th gear DPI switching. The highest mouse speed up to 1600 DPI and give the freedom to switch the mouse speed. Next, power supply. Power supply that we choose is AVF Extreme Power Supply 650W APS 650 F21B is ATX version 2 specification compliant. This power supply also supporting latest Intel dual core i3, i5, i7 and AMD Atom 2 Pentium and a series and FX.
Software. We choose Microsoft Office 365 Home is a fully version install, version of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote and more. Each of these programs has different function and very compatible with other programs. It consists of 1 TB cloud storage per user for up to 5 users and ongoing access to update. These utilities software will help Nawal in completing her assignment smoothly. Next, we choose Adobe Dreamweaver is available for Mac OS and Windows. This Adobe allows us to create website by using the code of the software. The creator provides the user interface where they will put the HTML and CSS code that allow them to edit using various tools. Next, AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a product key that has serial number. This AutoCAD can install for up to 2 devices. AutoCAD is developed and marketed by Autodesk. This also can be used in mobile apps and web. Next, Adobe CS6 was a software that suite graphic design, video editing and web development application that developed by Adobe System. For example, Photoshop, Acrobat, Premiere Pro or After Effects, InDesign and Illustrator. Next, Adobe Director 12.0 is a software that will help Nawal to create and publish compelling interactive games, demos, prototypes, kiosks, simulation and e-learning courses. It is also exciting new texture and shader. Moreover, it creates an enhanced multimedia experience using H.264 video integrations that lets you play full screen high definition video in your multimedia application and games. Next, VBNet. VBNet is a simple, modern, object-oriented computer programming language developed by Microsoft to combine the power of .NET framework and the common language runtime with the productivity benefits that are the hallmark of Visual Basic. This tutorial will teach you basic VBNet programming and will also take you through various advanced concepts related to VB programming language. Next, RAM. We choose a data 4GB Gddr5 Ram desktop data Premier DDR4 2400 unbuffered UDRMM. Memory is the latest upgrade solution that support Intel's newest platform for faster data transfer and enhanced power efficiency. Utilizing a 288-pin design, operating voltage has been reduced from 1.5 volts on DDR3 to 1.2 volts, which not only help save power by 20% but also boost transfer bandwidth speed to 19.2 GHz. Next, we choose a processor, Intel Core i7 Gen that equipped with Intel Turbo Boost Technology 2.0 that your computer will have the power and responsiveness to help your productivity soar. It can experience amazing gaming performance, seamlessly edit and share 360 videos and enjoy fantastic 4K Ultra HD entertainment, all with the lightning speed data transfer of Thunderbolt.
Printer Speaker Scanner. Printer Scanner. We choose Canon PIXMA E410 Color Inkjet 3-in-1 printer. The ink efficient is designed to give you an affordable printing experience at a low running cost up to 400 pages with a high capacity ink cartridge. Easy to carry. It also comes with the source of power. The printer also print any picture with the maximum high resolution.
Next, speaker. We chose original Dell AX210 USB compact, and the speaker is one of the most important in common output. The model of this design very applicable to the sound system and connect to the computer. Regardless to this brand, the audio will be more effective and louder. The design also look bold and elegant.
Next, DVD drivers. We choose Asus SDRW or D2SU Lite. A DVD drive is used to read DVDs, and in some cases it can write and allow storage data. The drives bring good advantage to computer in storage. Next, storage device. We choose Seagate Skyhawk 1TB Surveillance. The image perfect firmware supports 24x7 surveillance optimized workloads tuned to record 90% of the time and playback video footage the remaining 10%. Lower power consumption reduces heat emissions, improves reliability in surveillance solution. 1 TB storage is sufficient enough.